Welcome back to the Supplies channel. My name is Elliott Adair. This month I'm going to take you through how to make our Starlight Ring design. I came up with this to match our original star dust design that Patrick came up with. We're doing a few tweaks, mainly the ring blank. We're going to do a white ceramic instead of the cobalt chrome. And I also swapped out the opal color and some of the other inlays. But we're going to use the same techniques, which I'm going to go through on this video. If you're watching this video for the subscription box, we've already sent you your white ceramic ring blank, your obsidian inlay, a deep space blue opal, some diamond dust, the blue glow powder, and there's no color pigment this month because we're just going off of the crushed contents of the inlay materials. And we also sent you a bonus, a big one this month. It's the diamond paste polishing kit. Check it out. I have a special treat for you guys this month. I'm gonna do the ring using a drill. I put the mandrel in the drill. It's got a 1/2 inch chuck, which is perfect for our ring mandrel. That's the size of the shaft. So any standard drill should work. I'm gonna go through how I do that with just the inlaying part as well as the sanding. So I'm just gonna take some obsidian and a bit of this opal, the deep space blue, and I'm going to crush it all up together. There's no need to really do it separately or anything because I'm going to put it all in a mix. I'm putting on safety goggles and I'm just going to crush it up till it's basically a fine dust. Want any larger pieces for what look I'm going for. Okay, that looks pretty good. A good mixture of the two, the opal and the obsidian. I'm going to put this into a vial. And then I'm going to mix in the glow powder and the diamond dust, which doesn't need to be crushed. Oh, that's good stuff. Okay. Blue glow. Not too much. Want it to be mostly that mixture. Couldn't find the diamond dust I had, so I gotta get some of my other stash. Oops. Not too much, nothing crazy. We're just trying to add a little bit of sparkle to the overall look. Then I'll give it a good shake. Okay, it's ready to inlay. All right, I'm gonna get started with the inlay. First, I'm gonna do some medium glue, just a little bit. I'm using medium because we kind of have a weird inlay where we're doing the powders and inlay materials together. I'm gonna go all the way around, just slowly kind of get that first layer going, and then I'm going to be able to go back over it with the super glue. I'm gonna use the super thin, and then I will use accelerator to get that first base really solid. Okay, I got that all glued up. I'm gonna do a couple more. Go back through this one more time. Make sure I basically cover everything at this point. Then yep, do another layer of glue and soak in all that powder. I'm not really gonna use this for anything else. I'm just gonna be really generous. Once it all nicely soaked in, give it another spritz with the accelerator, and then I can get into sanding. I went with a drill this month just to show you guys how that can be done. This chuck will fit right into just a standard drill. I'm just using the grits of sandpaper that I have on hand. So I went from a 180 up to 240, then I did a 320, and I am going to get it, you know, as smooth as possible with that 320. If you have a higher grit up to like 1,000, I definitely recommend going up more towards that, but I'm going to go after it with the polish to make up for it. The next thing I'm going to do is dig out a couple air pockets as well as some spots that didn't end up looking so great, and then I'm going to fill them back in with Inlay material and re-glue them back up. Now I'm just going to push some of this back in to these gaps I dug out, and I'm going to re-glue it all back in before I take it to get re-sanded and polished. Okay, now I'm going to re-sand and polish it. I'm going to use the diamond paste polish, since that's what we sent you guys this month. Just a step one is where I'm going to start, and I'm going to, you know, get that really good. Put it on a paper towel, put some pressure on it, and I'm just spinning that drill at a good RPM to make sure it all gets nice and sanded down with the diamond paste. It's going to come out looking super shiny. Okay, we're done. I think the Starlight turned out awesome. Just what we really wanted in the end. It's very similar to the Stardust ring. Just a few simple tweaks and it's a totally different ring, but very similar concept and overall design. So let that inspire you. If you want to make a similar design, go ahead and choose your favorite opal color, choose your favorite inlay, choose your favorite glow powder, and do the same thing with whatever ring blank you want, and you can have a similar design in the end. I'm interested to know what you guys come up with, so tag us on Instagram and Facebook. Got our Facebook group, that is Patrick Adair Makers. Check that out if you're not already there, and then let us know in the comments what you think, if you like this design, what you would have done differently, or if you think of another idea that we could do as a similar one to this series. Thank you guys for tuning in, and we'll catch you soon.